Hi, welcome to Rameshsoft video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we will talk about how to take screenshot on failure. So in the previous videos, I explained with 3 approaches. This is the 4th approach, how to take the screenshot on failure. Now see here. So here now I will take the screenshot by using try catch mechanism. So here now we are going to take the screenshot on failure using the mechanism called try catch mechanism, right? Now see here how I am doing. Just observe here what I am doing on the screen. So nothing great. So if you don't know about exception handling, please watch my exception handling videos. So there I explain how to create our own exceptions, how we can integrate that own exceptions into our framework, how we can throw our own exceptions at the framework level in the real-time perspective. I explain. Just watch my videos. Create one class, new class, screenshot failure approach 4. Click on finish. Now see what I'm doing. So let me write the main method. Now see here I'll take the main method, whatever it is, or I'll take one method and make it as a test case level. Let me copy this. So now see what I'm doing. Now I'm launching what? Chrome browser. And then what I'm doing is, let me enter driver.getOff. I'm entering the URL. Now I'm entering the URL https://www.facebook.com. Now and then I'm trying to find the element driver.find element. So how you want to find the element? Different approaches are there, right? Now see here. Now get this property of this. Right click on inspect element. Now what is this is having? ID is equal to identifier ID. So see here what I'm doing. So by dot ID. So what is the ID it is having? Identifier ID. So find element method identifies the element and it returns that element in the form of web element. Suppose if there is no identifier ID with the ID, so if 0 elements are there, then find element method will throw what? Exception called no such element exception. If it is only one element is there, it returns that element in the form of web element. Suppose in this page, Gmail, Facebook page, in this Gmail page, suppose I am having 10 elements. It identifies, find element method identifies all the 10 elements but returns only what? First identified element. So on that what I want to do it? I want to element dot clear and then element dot send keys. Now I'm entering something Rameshsoft dot Selenium. So we'll talk end to end. So how we can integrate all the failure screenshot at test case level. So it is in my reporting, I want to add all the screenshots at my failure test steps. Everything we'll talk in the frameworks. Okay, in beautiful way we'll talk complete real-time frameworks. Don't worry about that. Now this is my risky code. That's why I'm keeping as a part of what? Try block. And then corresponding catch block I am writing catch exception something. I am writing exception here. Now see here. So whenever we get any exception, then only it will come to a catch block. So whenever it is coming to catch block, I'm asking take the what? Screenshot. So you know already in the previous video I explained very well. So how to take the screenshot and all those things, right? Now let me convert this D to what? Driver to take screenshot and get the take screenshot object. Now I am getting take screenshot object. On this I am calling ts dot. We have a method called in take screenshot is an interface. In this interface we have a method called, what is that method? Get screenshot as. This get screenshot as method will give the output in the form of 3 formats, right? So I want to specify that output type. We have an interface called, what is that interface? Output type. I want in the form of file. Now what I am going to get now? That image in the form of file. file. Now I want to place this file into some local drive. So what I'm doing is file utils dot copy file. So where you want to copy this file, this image, I want to place it in new file. I am placing in E:// I am giving file name as a gmail.jpg. Complete dynamic format will talk. As of now, let me explain in a static way. So in the framework we will talk in wonderful way. So we should not hard code the things now. So whenever I get exception in my try block, then only it will come to a catch block. So whenever it is coming to catch block, I am asking what? Take the what? Screenshot, right? So first I am running the program, it is correct one, right? Then it will enter the data, it won't come to a catch block, right? So whenever it is coming to catch block, what I am telling, it will come to catch block whenever we get the exception in try block, right? So what I am doing is, let me write here some SYS statement, SYS of captured screenshot. So we should not write SYS statements, okay? But still I am writing, we'll use log4j, slf4j. So in this case, what happens? I am launching the Chrome driver, and every Chrome driver is going to run on top of some port number, and then I am calling get method. This get method will wait till the what? Page is loaded. It means by using get method we are entering URL, and then inside try block I am taking what? Risky code. So if there is no exception, then catch block won't be executed. If there is any exception inside where try block, then immediately I'll get exception. So whenever we are getting exception, it will come to where? Catch block. So here what I'm asking now, whenever it comes to catch block, I'm asking take the what? Screenshot, right? Now see here, let me run it. First time I'm running, so no exception, so it won't take the screenshot. Right click, run as Java application. Just to see the screen, what happens? Nothing great in this, very easy. Yes, browser is launched, and then it's going to enter gmail.com. Page is opened, and then see here, it's entered username or not? Yes. So is it coming to any catch block now? No. Let me fail the test case wantedly. Okay. Now I am removing this ID. Now there is no element with what? ID is equal to identifier I. Now see here, right click, run as Java application. So there is no element, we will get exception and will come to where? Catch block. So when it comes to catch block, we are asking take the what? Screenshot. Now see here what happens. Yes. See here, what is the output I am getting? See here, capture screenshot or not? Yes, because there is no element with identify I, right? So I am getting exception. Now whenever I get the exception, it will come to where? Catch block. So when it comes to catch block, I am asking to what? Take the screenshot. Now see here, go to E drive. See here, in E drive login screenshot is there or not? Yes, right? So this is the way to take the screenshot using what? Exceptionally. Have observed here I am hard coding this this image name, right? I don't want to hard code in this way, right? Now see here what I am doing, and then as well as don't write the screenshot code in this way. Let me take one dynamic method. So in the framework level I am not talking, in the framework level in the coming videos we'll talk, okay? So I am taking one method, public static void screenshot. Just observe here what I am doing. Now let me pass the parameter here. Let me Control X and paste the code here, right? Yes, and then I am making this one as a global variable so that I can pass to my method screenshot method. Now make this one as a static. Now see here what I am doing, add checked exception, add those exception. Now see here, now just I want to call what is the method? Screenshot, but I want to pass this image name as a what? Dynamic format, right? So let me pass one parameter called string image name. Now here what I am doing is plus image name, that's it. Run as Java application. End to end will talk at framework level. Hold on, these are all what I am doing, is all static way. We should not write in this way. So we'll talk completely in the real-time frameworks. In the frameworks level we'll talk, end to end we'll talk in the coming videos. Don't worry about it. In module 2 we'll talk all the videos. Now see here what is I'm getting? Capture screenshot or not? Yes. Go to the D drive. Now see here, Gmail test is there or not? Yes, right? So this is the way to take the screenshot on failure using what? Try catch mechanism. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day. Thank you so much.